How to set low video quality in Facebook Lite. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, when it comes to setting a low video quality in the Facebook Lite app, there are two options. The first one will set the video quality for the entire videos at once, and it goes like this. Open up the Facebook Lite, click on the three lines at the top right, scroll down to the settings and privacy section, and from there click on data saver mode. And here you will find the section that says video quality, and it's set to optimized. So what you need to do is you need to select the second option that says lowest quality video, and as you can see, it tells you that it uses up to 20% less data by reducing video quality across all of the Facebook videos. So this will be applied through the entire videos. The second option is to set a low quality per the video itself. So for example, if you are watching a video, say for example this one, and the video is set to high quality, what you can do is you can click on the setting gear icon at the bottom right corner of the video and click on the quality option, and here you can set a lower quality just for this video. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the video quality to a lower one in the Facebook Lite app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.